cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on. Bring yourself on into Sandra Fay's kitchen. Thank you guys for stopping by to see Sandra Fay, Cooking with Sandra Fay. This is my first video, everyone. My first video. We're gonna be cooking some delicious meals every week. And trust me, you don't want to miss my meals. You really don't want to miss my recipes, okay? You don't want to miss them. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And click that little bell so you don't miss not one of my recipes, okay? All right, let me stop acting silly. We're cooking fried cabbage. How many of you have eaten fried cabbage? I'm pretty sure a lot of you have tried different recipes that you saw online or in a cookbook, but you haven't seen my recipe or you haven't tried my recipe. So I'm telling you now, it's the bomb. It's the bomb, bomb, bomb. Now, if you do not, I'm going to repeat, if you do not cook or use the same ingredients that I do and you switch it up, do not complain down in the comment section that it doesn't taste right. It's because a lot of you guys don't follow the recipes and you put in there what you want to put. But it's okay if you want to experiment, because I know a lot of people don't eat certain ingredients, certain vegetables and meats. But me, myself, I am a carnivore. So I will be cooking some meat recipes, vegetable recipes, pies, cakes, all the good stuff that people like to eat. And a couple of healthy dishes too. But most of the time, they're going to be like, maybe high calorie. But, I don't eat like that every day. I don't. I kind of spread my stuff out. Maybe once or twice a week, I may eat something that I really like, okay? So I don't want y'all complaining about that either. Oh, that's got too much fat. Oh, that's got too many calories. Too much cholesterol. Too much carbohydrates. I know how y'all do it now. I know how y'all do it. But it's okay. It's okay. I won't delete anybody. I won't. I promise. Anyway, let's get this cooking started. Cooking with Sandra Fay. Fried cabbage. Let's go, y'all. Here are the vegetables I will be using. Make sure you wash them. And here are the seasonings that I will be using. And I love Smithfield bacon and here's our farm sausages. Now I'm cutting up the yellow bell pepper. It's not hot, y'all. It's sweet. And here is the green bell peppers and onions. I like to slice, I've got to get used to slicing things up. I have cut my finger before, but I like to cut my cabbage in squares. To me, it's just easier that way. And here's everything all chopped up and ready. You got to be prepared. Now, people, you got to make sure you store your bell pepper and vegetables very well because you don't want them to start withering up and getting smushy. I don't like putting them in plastic bag. I buy these containers at Walmart and Dollar General, and they might even have them at the Dollar Tree. So go and get you some so your vegetables can stay fresh. Now I'm cutting up the meat. I'm cutting up this bacon. I hate cutting bacon. I should have cut it half frozen. And I'm also cutting the sausage. I'm kind of cutting it in a slant way. And after that, you guys, make sure you clean off your cutting board because you don't want those germs and Ebola, whatever, sticking on your board, okay? You don't want to be getting sick. Now I'm frying the bacon. I threw it in the pan. It's gonna fry up and it's gonna be wonderful. I love me some bacon, y'all. I love me pork, I ain't gonna lie. Look at it, it's just getting all brown. Just roll Charlie around, y'all. Flip Charlie over. Just flip him on over. Look at that. All brown and crisp. Just waiting for your mouth. And then you're going to throw those sausages in there. Throw it on in there. They don't care. Just go on in there in the bacon grease. It's good, y'all. It don't matter. Look at it. Look how brown it is. That's the brownness that you want, okay? You don't want it too well done. In the middle, it's not that done because really and truly that sausage is already almost done. Now, we're going to take this same bacon grease. We're going to take the bacon grease. We're not going to pour it out. Look at all that goodness in the bottom of that pan, okay? We're going to throw those onions in there. We're going to throw the yellow bell peppers and green peppers in there. And we're going to stir it around and throw our seasonings inside. It's going to be delicious. Look how beautiful that is already. We ain't even halfway done. Okay, keep stirring it up. Keep stirring it up. Now you're going to throw your cabbages in. Put them on in there. Put them in there. Make sure you spread them around so they can cook evenly. Make sure you do it and flip them over. Flip them over like you would that man. Flip them on over, y'all. Keep on cooking. Keep on flipping. Make sure you put your top on so you can keep that moisture inside so the cabbages can cook. Now you're going to pour in. You're going to pour in the goodness, the bacon, the sausage, and you're gonna keep on flipping and flipping till you just can't flip no more. And put that top on there again to keep the moisture in. Keep going back and forth, flipping to make sure it gets to the texture that you like, okay? Everybody don't like the same texture. They don't. Some of them like it crunchy. Some of them like it well done. Some of them like it just in the middle like me. So keep on flipping. Now look at that color. Look at that. Now it's almost done for me. That is good. I like it like that. Now you're going to plate it up. Put it in your bowl, plate or whatever you got. And you're going to just, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Good God Almighty. It's time for a taste test, y'all. Let me taste my recipe. Man, you can taste the bacon, the red peppers, are so sweet. The onions, the bell peppers. It even has a little heat because of the red peppers. Now, you don't have to put red peppers in yours if you don't like heat, but I like just a tad bit of heat, okay? But it's really good. I want you guys to try it for your family or yourself. You're gonna love it. And I want you to put it down there in the comment section how yours turned out. How did you like it? Don't forget now to use a lot of the same ingredients that I use if you want it to taste right. Okay? I know some of y'all gonna be using turkey bacon, but that's okay. I understand. I don't know if turkey bacon has that ham flavor. Who knows? But do it your way. But I'm pretty sure you're good enough cook where it could turn out right. All right. Let me go, y'all. I'll be back next week with another dish. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'm not gonna tell you. You're gonna have to wait, okay? Some of y'all gonna have to wait. I know you're anxious, but that's okay. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, okay? And if you have a good recipe that you'd like for me to try, okay, to taste test and try for me to do it exactly the way you do it, let me know down in the comment section, okay? Or you can email me at cookingwithsandrafay@gmail.com and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter as well. All right, let me get out of here, y'all, so I can eat my dinner. Until next time, people, goodbye.